Hi all, welcome to the derivation series. In this video, I will be explaining the complete derivation of the mirror formula, that is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is a very important question for the class 12th CBSE board examination. Let's get started. The mirror formula is given by 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, where F is the focal length of the mirror and V is the image distance and U is the object distance. All the distances are calculated from the pole of the mirror and the distances are always following the Cartesian rule of sign convention. First, draw the ray diagram carefully by using a scale and a pencil. Do not draw the diagram in a free hand by pen. It will be reducing your marks drastically. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Consider a small object that is placed between the center of curvature and the focus and draw the ray diagram as follows. One ray that is taken from the parallel to the principal axis and another ray that is passing through the center of curvature and retracing back its path. Mark the diagram as follows. M, A, B, D, M. The image will be formed here, that is A dash, B dash. According to the distance, this is my object distance, this is my image distance, and this is the radius of curvature. Now the first approximation that we need to make, because this is a thin mirror, M is very close to pole. M coincides with P because of thin mirror approximation. So I can write AB is equal to DM, which is equal to DP. Now consider the two triangles that are shaded as shown. Now consider the two triangles, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C, because by AA rule we know that this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles, and this is a right angle triangle. So by AA rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. Similarly, consider the triangle DMF is similar to triangle A dash B dash F by AA rule. We know this angle is equal to this angle and right angle is equal to the right angle. So this whole triangle is similar to this small triangle. So by the corresponding pairs of similar triangles, I can write AB upon A dash B dash is equal to BC upon B dash C, which is equal to AC upon A dash C. And here I can write DM upon A dash B dash equal to MF upon B dash F, which is equal to DF upon A dash F by the corresponding pairs of similar triangles CPST. Now putting DM is equal to AB, DM is equal to AB and equating the first and second equation. Now putting DM is equal to AB and equating the equation 1 and 2, we can clearly get BC upon B dash C is equal to MF upon B dash F. After getting this step, BC upon B dash C is equal to MF upon B dash F. I can write BC is equal to PC minus PB. PC minus PB divided by, I can write B dash C as PB dash minus PC, which is equal to MF can be written as PF divided by PB dash minus PF. Now by taking the sign convention, it is very clear that we know PC is equal to minus R, PB is equal to minus U, PB dash is equal to minus V, PF is equal to minus F. So by using these four things, PC equal to minus R, PB equal to minus U, PB dash B dash equal to minus U, and PF is equal to minus F, because all are in the left side, we need to use the Cartesian sign convention without fail. Now you substitute all these values here, minus R minus of minus U divided by minus V minus of minus R equal to minus F by minus V minus of minus F. Now simplifying all the things, we will get U minus R divided by R minus V, which is equal to minus F by F minus V. Now cross multiply everything and we can get and substitute R is equal to 2F, which is a thin mirror approximation, and cross multiply everything, we will get UF minus UV minus capital RF plus RV equal to minus FR plus VF, both gets cancelled. So UF minus UV plus 2FV, because R equal to 2F equal to FV. Now UF plus FV is equal to UV. Taking F common, U plus V is equal to U into V. F is equal to UV divided by U plus V. So reciprocating it, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our Easy Exam Academy channel, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.